Hello, today for my home lab video, I'm going to be doing a new home lab series for learning about Windows file sharing and learning about share permissions and NTFS permissions. How I like to think of share permissions are these are like the front door rules, who can get in the building over the network, and they apply only when someone accesses the folder remotely from another computer. For NTFS permissions, these are like room specific rules, who can do what inside each room, and they apply always whether someone is local or remote. For effective permission, I like to think mostly restrictive of both share and NTFS permission. And then for the permission levels, I like to think of read as they can look around, but they do not touch anything for viewing files and folders. Write, they can leave notes but not move furniture, like adding or changing files. Modify, they can rearrange furniture but not knock down walls, read, write, or delete. Execute, they can use machines in the room, like running programs. Read and execute, they can look around and use machines but not change anything, like view and run files. And then full control, they can do anything like paint walls and add furniture, give others access for all permissions. And then from what I like to think of, the highest to lowest, least restrictive is number 1, no access, which I would like to think of as door is locked. And then read can only look, read and execute can look and run things. Write can leave notes. Modify can rearrange things. Full control can do anything. And then just for today, I'm going to be creating a shared folder and giving it read-only access for a user. I've already created the group and the user, so I just need to create the shared folder, and then I'm going to log into my Windows machine and test it with the user. I'm going to go to File Explorer. I'm going to go to this PC and see. I'm going to right click, I'm going to go to new, and I'm going to go to folder, I'm going to name this marketing. And then I'm going to go to my marketing folder, and I'm going to go to properties, and then I'm going to go to sharing, and from here I'm going to go to advanced sharing, and then I'm going to set my share permissions. I'm going to share this folder, and I'm going to go to my permissions, so I'm going to add in the intern group, and I'm going to add in the user that I'm going to test with. And these are read-only. Okay, and then from here I'm going to set my modify my NTFS permissions. I'm going to go to Security tab, and I'm going to go to Edit. I'm going to add in the marketing interns again. Marketing intern. Okay. I'm going to add in the user I'm going to be testing with. Okay. And then they should be having read execute permissions only. So my user I'm going to be using already has read and execute checked. See? When I uncheck that, it will uncheck those, so read and execute. And then I'm going to go to the marketing intern team, and they already have that. So they both have that. And I'm going to click apply and OK. And then I'm going to let's go here. Just check. Okay. Read and execute. Okay. Now I'm going to log into my Windows machine with him and check. I have a file in here. Put a document in here to test it. I'm going to close out. And I'm going to log in with my intern. It should let me open the file, and then it should not let me delete it. So I'm going to test that. There's the document. Let's see if I can delete it. Delete. Make sure you want to permanently delete. And then I need permission to perform this action, so that worked. Okay. That's all for today's video. Thank you.